Hi everyone, it's Simon Keeling here. Just wanted to bring you up to date with conditions during the course of this week, how we see things developing, and a little bit about why they're doing what they're doing as well. Obviously, a lot of talk about this low that's around tomorrow and the rain that it's going to bring, and we'll wait and see whether that's as intense as it's predicted to be. But just wanted to show you the reason why we're getting these conditions at the moment. This is the sea surface temperature anomaly chart for midday on Thursday, and the yellow colours show warmer than normal conditions, and you can see how much warmer water is affecting most of the British Isles just at the moment. In fact, much of Western Europe has got sea surface temperatures a couple of degrees or perhaps 3 degrees Celsius in the southern North Sea above where they should be for the time of year. Now, if we look at the chart for up at 5,000 feet in the atmosphere, this is the temperature anomaly, so this is the change from normal. Look at these blue colours here, -4s and -5s below where they should be for this time of year. Now, with that combination, we're getting quite a sharp contrast between the temperature at the surface and the temperature at upper levels. So that encourages air to rise upwards, generates cloud and generates rain. And that's what's going on at the moment. It's not really rocket science, it's just that what we have to wait for is either for the atmosphere to warm up or for the sea surface temperatures to change, and then we'll probably see changes in conditions. But it's fascinating to see, and fascinating to see how the weather works. Anyway, just to take you through what happens over the next few days, here's this afternoon. This is the rain that's across Scotland at the moment. Here are showers down towards the south of the country. Here's low pressure down towards the southwest of Ireland. It's this one that we're watching coming through during the course of this evening and into tonight. There the showers fading away look overnight across the east, but here's that area of low pressure. By 7 o'clock in the morning it's across much of southern Ireland, southwest England and into the southwest of Wales too. But this ridge of high pressure keeping much of the country dry to start the day tomorrow. By 10 o'clock in the morning the rain is across going to Northern Ireland, central Wales and central southern England. Most other areas are dry, but then it comes, look, here's that area of low pressure coming through during the course of tomorrow afternoon. Notice how most of the rain is focused, these are the darker bluer colours, notice how most of that rain is focused across the west and the southwest of the country, and yes, a bit running up through the Midlands, but not dramatic totals of rain running through here. You're probably looking at totals of 5 to 10 millimetres for much of northern England and also the Midlands, but perhaps 10 to 20 millimetres across southwest England, Wales and northern parts of Ireland. But look, relatively little across eastern parts of the country, and it's not until late afternoon before that rain reaches eastern parts of England. Scotland generally staying dry through the day. Overnight to Sunday, the heavier rain is moving its way northwards. It's clearing away from eastern areas by the time we get through to Monday morning, and then quite a brisk southwesterly flow following. Strong winds though across Ireland and across northern Scotland too. And then through Monday itself, the low pressure continues to try and track away towards the northeast. It takes its rain with it, although northern and western areas stay wet. And I think, look at these isobars, very strong winds across Scotland on Monday, gales here. Down to the south though, high pressure's building in. Let me just take it back a couple of frames so you can see this through Monday. Here we go, look, watch this area of high pressure build in on Monday afternoon. It's killing off any showers and brings us dry conditions. Overnight into Tuesday, we'll find rain across northern and western parts of the country, but down towards the south, look, we're staying dry. The ridge of high pressure comes in and brings us another fair day for most on Tuesday, I think. By Wednesday, this is overnight into Wednesday, starting to see another weak front try and push its way eastwards. Brings rain down western coast by Wednesday morning, and then that gradually spreads eastwards during Wednesday itself, although only very light and showery, and not reaching the east until late on in Wednesday. But then we do take a turn for the worse, because low pressure is going to be developing. Here it is, look, pushing bands of rain and showers eastwards through the country as we get through towards the back end of next week. So certainly things look like turning more unsettled once again as we're heading towards Thursday, Friday and into the early part of next weekend, although we should find pressure starting to build again from the west by the time we get through to the end of next weekend. But I think things pretty cold by then, with rain across many northern and eastern areas. So unsettled is the theme of the week. We're going to be seeing rain. Tuesday looks to be a good day, and Monday looks to be a decent day as well for many southern parts of the country. And don't forget, if you want anybody to blame it on the sea surface temperature anomalies, because that's the reason for us getting the unsettled weather at the moment. Thanks for watching and see you again soon.